stuff sub to the channel if I'm teaching you how to make juice, or if I'm inspiring you to make juice. Hit the bell, sub to the channel, like the video if you like this. It's gonna be great, okay? We're gonna go now. Hey guys, good morning. I got back from my gym class. I woke up at 5. I was at the gym class at 6. I did the optional run afterwards because I'm beginning to thrive. I drank my mushroom coffee, 2 cups. I've been off of real coffee most days. I've been drinking mushroom coffee. I'm trying to quit caffeine. But I don't know what I was gonna say. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stop drinking caffeine, and I'm also gonna start juicing, or try to start juicing, like most days of the week, like even a ginger shot. I watched a documentary. I watched a documentary called SuperJuice Me. Apparently you need to drink juice. It's really good for you. I gotta take the kids to camp. I totally lost track of time cleaning out the juicer. So I searched his recipe for like a basic simple green juice, right? Juicing's hard. I just prepared the juicer. It's been in the garage for like a year. I just cleaned it out. Even that was too much work. And it's gonna be too much work when I have to clean the juicer too. I would like a boyfriend again one day. And I would like him to clean the juicer if that's cool. He had a green juice using celery, half a cucumber. He has wheatgrass powder. I don't have that, so it's fine, it's fine. He just did wheatgrass powder, celery, cucumber, and spinach. None of the spinach was fresh at the store. So I have cucumber, celery, apple. Oh, how do you say cucumber? Okay, so I have this. That's good. Look what I did. I bought 2 pineapples. They were 99 cents. So how could you not buy pineapple? But I cut it into juicer-friendly spears. It's good for your digestion. Oh, and so is cabbage. So I'm gonna put some cabbage in it too. I had some stomach problems a while ago, like 10 years ago, but I need like healing. I don't have like a health insurance or like a doctor, but I think the cabbage will really save me some time, money, and a trip to the doctor. I think it's like that much. I'll cut it in half. So I'll make sure that I'm actually getting the shot. Filming with my other hand. So this is what's gonna go in, guys. We're gonna make a green juice. I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. Like the basic Jack LaLanne fusion juicer you get at Walmart. I think it's like maybe $100. They say you can save the pulp of some juices to bake with, like oranges and stuff. We're in business. We in business, as my dad would say. Business. We're in business. It might look really bad in this video. Like I might just post it anyway, right? If you guys want more health and stuff, sub to the channel if I'm teaching you how to make juice, or if I'm inspiring you to make juice. Hit the bell, sub to the channel, like the video if you like this. It's gonna be great, okay? We're gonna go now. All right, here we go. Woo! Put apple and pineapple in for all the calories and everything, so I'm just gonna do pineapple, and this is gonna be so good. A good technique, this called for spinach. I just didn't buy spinach because it wasn't fresh. I always have trouble like juicing leafy greens because they just kind of spin around. This guy I learned this from, Jason Vale. I always call him Jason Vale for some reason. I think his name is, oh, that smells like shit. Oh my God. Daphne, you wanna know what Nair smells like? Come on out and smell this juice. I was just telling Daphne about how bad Nair smells. That's how Nair smells. It's not that bad. Right here.
just recording?
It's recording.
Oh.
Tell them. She said,
Ugh.
we're gonna put some pineapple in, okay? Yeah. Juice stick! We're gonna need more than that. Yeah, I watched this documentary called SuperJuice Me on the Gaia network, and this guy was all about just like fixing everybody's life with juice. Everybody's life. We're gonna cure my friend's Hashimoto's with this juice in the fall when we have some time. But yeah, so here you go. I don't think I got to telling you the tip because I got so distracted by how bad this smelled. He packs the greens between the cucumber. So he uses a half a cucumber, but he cuts that in half, puts the cucumber, packs all the spinach in, then puts the other cucumber on, then turns the juicer on, and then pushes it all down. I always wondered if there was a tip. There is, and that's it. Guys, this is so cool. Look how cool this looks. Ooh, it's too much juice. I probably used too much. I probably used too much of everything. I'm not gonna drink all of it. I'll save it for 2. So the cool thing too about the, oh, look how cool, guys, look at that. Can you see it like all settling? Guys, moment of truth, I'm gonna drink it. Oh, now I see why the people at the juice oasis where he goes, are always going like this, it does mix up pretty quick. So I know that pineapple is really good for digestion, and apparently cabbage is really good for digestion. So we'll try to fix my stomach problems. I was diagnosed with something called gastroparesis. It's basically like nerve damage. It's a long story, but my stomach still feels like shit from like 10 years ago. Daphne, come in here real quick. It could totally be worse. It could be so much worse. It's good. I eat really healthy though, so I'm used to it. It might not taste good to you, but I think it will actually. Taste it. Watch. So brave, by the way. It's not bad. I wouldn't have tried it. I wouldn't have had to try it. I'm surprised how good. Could be worse though, right? I think it's good. You spit it out?
I don't like it.
Oh, he put lime in the, we could put lime in it one day. All right, guys.
Carrots.
There's no carrots in it. It's just cabbage. It tastes like cabbage. I can't really imagine drinking this later, to be honest, because I think once it oxidizes, the cabbage is gonna be just weird. So I'm just gonna drink it now.
Just so like fizzy, you know?
Yeah. Wait, the foam?
Yeah.
Do you want me to make you something fresh? Apple pineapple?
Sure.
Bonus. Nice. Cool. Bonus! Oh my god, you know how good this would be in a smoothie? Using fresh juice for a smoothie? Yeah. Oh, Daph, you're really gonna love this one. Come over and try this one. Pineapple apple.
Like banana. I feel it.
We're going like this. Oh, I realize why. It feels like you need to, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. Cheers. Want to cheers me for the video?
I'm like scared to try it.
It's just 2 pineapple spears and an apple. That's all that's in there. Okay, cool. Grown-up juice, kid juice. Now go to count. Make sure you sub to the channel if you like the video, if you want more videos. Can't tell you what they're going to be about, but it's Taylor Television. You're tuned in. Come tell them to sub. Hopefully this is recording. Look guys, and now I'm literally on my bike going to deliver my sister some juice I made her. I'm gonna trade her juice for some of her eggs. And yeah, like look, must be the juice. I'm out here. Now for the annoying part, cleaning the juicer. You just gotta do it right away. Who needs a boyfriend? You can clean your own juicer. What? Just for a second, I'm just telling you. Oh, what? I don't know. It's really messy. And the pulp does seem very wet. This is a very inexpensive juicer, so the more expensive your juicer is, the drier the pulp should be. Maybe something was stuck in there and I didn't realize. I don't know. It's fine. Anyway, now we're gonna clean it. It's gonna be the shittiest part. You need like a stiff bristle brush. They usually come with a really stiff bristle brush. Stiff bristle brush. Bristle's a hard word to say. Bristle brush, that's what it is. Bristle brush. And I'm really just gonna get in there. And I think the key is just to making sure you clean this when it's all wet and nasty, you know? It's the mesh part, the mesh strainer part that you really gotta get up in there. They usually come with even a stiffer brush than this, but see, I really can't stand things like this. I really don't like getting splashed and getting wet, but that's okay, it's done. That was it, that was it, it's all clean. Oh, not all of the components, but I think the rest of them are dishwasher safe, honestly, with a good rinse. And I run my dishwasher every day because I have little kids. So. That really wasn't so bad. Could have been worse. But yeah, like, this is like good for composting, you know? Juicing, it takes so much time and effort. I was thinking like, if I'm gonna do all this, I might as well start a juice delivery service. I live in the Hamptons, I feel like I can make so much money. If I'm gonna sit here and spend an hour to make myself one juice, I'll spend 2 hours and make 50 juices. You don't even get a choice, it's Taylor's choice. I just bring you a new juice. People pay even more for this surprise. I'll just make 2 different juices. You get to choose. You want fruits or veg? You want the fruit plant or the vegetable plant, and then you just, because you get what's freshest. Yeah, whatever was freshest at the market, and I'll start a business. Make sure you sub to the channel if you liked the video. If you want more videos, can't tell you what they're going to be about, but it's Taylor Television. You're tuned in. Come tell them to sub.